You Earth people are most unusual, most stimulating.
Okay, I got my Nikola toy levitating thing in the mail and came yesterday. And I'm about to open it. I already took the address label off so you don't see my address or anything on there. But let's open it up and see what's inside here. Looks like it's wrapped pretty well here. This is not too sharp, but should have got scissors maybe, but we shall see here. We'll do the best that we can here, and there we go. Okay, now we're getting that off there. Okay, get it off. Get the plastic out of the way, and all right, got the bubble wrap out of the way here. Now, take the rest of this here, and we'll open it up the rest here and see what the dealio is inside here. And we'll cut some more here. And we'll cut this side here. Okay. It says, what does that say there? Lanyabe or something there. I don't know, but let's open it up. Take this off. Something else in there. Okay. And I'm going to have it face me here so I can see what's inside here. We're going to open this up. And there it is inside. Yeah, we got a little key ring here. Look at that. I don't know what it says here. It's like, I love you. It's an I love you key ring there. It's kind of neat. I wonder if it does anything. I have to check that out there. So, I love you. I don't know if you can see that. Put that off to the side. And we got some instructions here. And it looks like on the back, there's a few different languages. English is on the top. And on the front here, a number of different languages. It points to where the charging port is here on there. And it says, the arc reactor needs to be charged separately to glow. So, and it says, please scan the QR code to check the product usage instructions before use. And there's an email address and a scan thing down at the bottom. So I'm going to have to read that afterwards here. And we'll open this up. Yeah. And we got our charging thing here with the US plug here. And it operates on 120 to 240. There's your little plug here. Put that on the side. We got another, like a USB charger here if you want to do it into USB. And in there, which is hard to get out. See if I can get this out here. All right, let's get the other end here. And see if I can get this out of here. I have to get the pen in here maybe, or a screwdriver or something. Alright, so there it is, a little thing you can change the lights, I guess. You know, put that in there. And then we got the, carefully take this out of here. And we got the arc thing. Look at that, there it is. Look at that little baby in there. Yeah, it's all, looks like it's in decent shape, like it's not broken or anything. I'll put that back in there. And this one here, if I can get this one out. Keep those little finger holes here on the side. Work its way out of here. Okay, there we go. And it's a little heavy on this one here. This is heavy here, so I want to carefully take it out of here so I'm not damaging anything. And has all kind of wiring on the bottom. It's like tinted plastic here, and on the top there's like different rings in there, magnetic rings. It says proof that Tony Stark has a heart, and it seems pretty solid. So that's about it. So I'm going to have to, fire it up and charge it up and see what the dealio is on it. But that's it for the time being. Okay, bye-bye. Hopefully it's going to work. All right, bye. Well, apparently there are two different things to charge. The one big charger that has the big outlet is for the base unit. The other one, which is a smaller diameter that you charge via USB, is for the reactor. And you can see I have it plugged in charging. There's a red light in there. I don't know if that's going to change after it fully charges. Doesn't really say. I downloaded the instructions, which are basically what it's telling me here, and it's not much different. So we'll just have to wait and see here. All right. Okay, a little time has passed and I came back, and now that red light has changed to blue, so I would presume that blue means it's fully charged and red means it's charging. So we're going to take this guy off the charger now. Well, I did have it on there and it is levitating. It's a little hard to see. I'm going to turn off this overhead light here and see if that makes any difference. Maybe it'll start spinning here. I don't know. But you have to balance it because it's going to want to touch one of these on the side here. And now it says with this other thing here, I can set the lighting. So there's some lights there. And I can put different colors on there. And that's on flash. I'll put it on strobe. I don't think that did any good there. I'm going to put it on fade. It fades a little bit there. So it's spinning nicely there once I got it started. And what's this last one here? I can't see what it says here. It says smooth. So we're going to turn up the brightness here. Got brightness turned up. And you can change the colors. And I put it on flash. Well, it doesn't flash very much. It doesn't really tell you too much about the little remote thing here. So you got a flash there, strobe, fade, and smooth. So that's on strobe. And I'll put it on fade here. And yeah, that's it. So it is levitating there. It is levitating. You can see, well, I don't have a good angle here because I can't move it too much because the length of the cord to the outlet. But it is levitating on there. So there it is. Okay. Works pretty good. You have to play around with the lights, but it works. Okay. Bye-bye, my friends. Subscribe is always welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Bye.